Welcome back, kindergarten. Today in math, we're going to be talking about a new term that some of you already know how to use. It's called subtraction. And I'm actually going to sing a song to you, and we're going to talk about what subtraction means. Do you know what subtraction means? Let me hear you. What is subtraction? Oh, really? Listen to my song and see if you can tell what's happening. Ready? Listen close. 5 green and speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. You know the song? Sing with me. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Let's stop a second and talk about this song. The first line was 5 green and speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Oh, wait a minute. There was 5, and now there's 4. Because that 1 jumped in the pool. That means we're taking 1 away, and now we have 4 left. Let's sing the next line. You ready? 4 green and speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. There's 4, but 1 jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were, how many left? 3 green speckled frogs. Yum, yum. Oh my goodness, when we took away another one, we were subtracting. We were taking something away. So we're going to talk a little bit about subtraction today, and you're going to be working on an activity after this video, and I know you're going to become masters of subtraction. First, let's talk about what was happening in our song. I drew a picture to try to recreate the scene. So you see my frogs on the log. Let's count how many frogs were on the log to begin with. 5 green and speckled frogs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs on the log. But you can see Miss Hartman wrote a 5 down. But then I used this minus symbol. It looks like a little line. It's kind of like the plus sign, but it's just one line going that direction, horizontal. This is the subtraction sign. This means to take away. So we had 5 frogs, and now we're going to take away whatever is after this minus symbol. What are we taking away here? That's right, 1. So 5 green and speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. 1 jumped into the pool, there it is, where it was nice and cool. And then there were 4 green speckled frogs left on the log. And that would be our difference. That's how many we have after the subtraction sentence takes place. Remember, this equal sign means the same as. So everything on this side should mean the same as everything on this side. So if you have 5 and you take 1 away, that's the same as saying 4. Because if you have 5 and you take 1 away, it's 4. So this is subtraction, and we're going to be working on that today. I'm going to show you one more example before you do your activity today. Always remember that when you start with a number, you count what you have first. Can you say that with me? Count what you have first. Let's say it one more time. Count what you have first. Good job. Let's count how many stars I have today first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could count 1 at a time like that, or I could see the arrangement before my eyes. You can tell this looks just like a dice. When I roll the dice and I land on a 5, it always has 2 on one side, 2 on the other, and 1 right in the middle. Number 5. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to make 5, because remember, my first rule when I'm doing subtraction is to count everything first. I write down my total. Okay, I have 5 stars, and now I'm going to put my minus symbol in. This is telling me to get rid of some, take some away. Okay, how many am I going to take away today? How many would you like? 2? Would you like me to take 2 away? Okay, before I take the 2 away, I have to write it down. Okay, so first add up what you have there to begin with, write it down, put your minus symbol down. I have 5, and I'm going to take away, 2. I'm going to write down how many I'm taking away. Okay, before I take them away, I'm going to put my equal sign, and now I have 5. I'm going to take 2 away. 1, 2, and now I have my total. What am I left with? 3, that's right. 1, 2, 3. Remember, the equal symbol tells me that everything on this side should be the same or mean the same as everything on this side. So 5 take away 2 is the same as 3. And what I mean by that is, if I have 5 and I take away 2, I end up with 3. It's the same thing. This is just one way of showing 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Good job. We're going to try a few of these activities today, and what I'd like you to do is you could use some objects like Miss Hartman did, or if you'd like to solve your problems, you could just draw a picture. So I'm going to show you how to draw a picture to solve too. So for example, if you see this number sentence, you're going to go over to the left and read the first number. Remember, count the number first. How many is this? 3. I'm going to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. I'm only paying attention to my very first number. Now I'm going to read it like a sentence from the left to the right. So I'm thinking like this. I'm going to draw an arrow. When I'm looking at this number sentence, I want to first start with the total. I got 3. This is the whole. Now I'm going to take something away because this symbol tells me get rid of something. I'm going to subtract how many? 1. I'm going to get rid of 1. So instead of erasing my circle, I'm just going to cross out 1. You know how to do an X. Just do an X like that right over top of your 1. Okay. Now, there's the equal sign. Now this means what is the total or what is the difference. So when we're talking about subtraction, we call the total, we call that the difference because now there's something different that happened. What is left? 2. So I'm going to put my 2 down. 3 minus 1 equals 2 because 3 minus 1 is the same as saying 2. When you have 3 and you take away 1, it's 2. Good job, friends. So today, when you go to do your activity, you could do it this way and draw pictures to solve the problem, or you could get out some materials, even if you have a magnet board. But just remember, whatever materials you get out, always start adding with the first number, gather that amount with the materials, and then follow the minus symbol, the subtraction symbol, to find out how many you're going to take away. And then you can solve the difference. Have fun subtracting today, friends. Bye.